Uba lo Majaw unong ruai bat nong tem papau hak jela bat ublatip kum ubob Dailan hagri man hak singi baar layo Pdiang ke Kyrdan Doctor of Literature nak Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM kabadon hakiling Rimhoi district hakate ke singi uba lo Majaw layo ban Pdiang yekate Kyrdan ladon sewei pat unong ruai ublatip kum uzubin gal nak jela Assam balayo ban Pdiang yak bakum kate ke juhi ke Kyrdan nak Skulbah USTM lengba jo kate ke singi baka Skulbah USTM kalpan ko burom yekite ki arngut ki nongruai nak Kyrdan Doctor of Literature kate ke Skulbah kalayoru ban ko burom ru ya hajar ngut ki samla pule ki pendep ki degree post degree bat kitu ki pendep ki Kyrdan PhD ka Skulbah USTM kalpan ko dakate ke Kyrdan yo ba lo Majaw kade halor ke nongrim bau lano senyang ban kentiu halor kaput katem bat karwai kasiau hapo ke jela Meghalaya.
In less than 22 years, Kyrdan has transcended this humble beginning. It now encompasses 2 CBSE affiliate senior secondary schools, 1 women's college, engineering college, BEd college, 2 pharmacy colleges, an Ayurvedic college, a business school and a law college, and 1 this distinguished university where we gathered to celebrate today. With a student enrollment of exceeding 12,000 and dedicated workforce of over 1,600 individuals who wholeheartedly contribute as a partners in our mission, Kyrdan's journey is one of the inspiration and growth. Today we stand with immense happiness at USTM and achieve the remarkable distinction of being the first private university from Northeast to receive grade A from the NAC. Additionally, our university has earned a position among the top 200 universities in India as per NIR ranking consecutively for last 3 years. These remarkable accomplishments are a testimony to the sincere dedication of our entire university community over the past few years, culminating in this inspiring recognition. Our path to excellence is guided by well-defined milestones in our journey to shape USTM an institute of eminence by 2026. By 2026, we aim to elevate USTM into one of the nation's premier universities. But recently, we found the people calling from all over the world, they are coming either there. Before 26, we are becoming world-class institutions. Because this university is sometimes great water. And now we are trying to come up with the water research center at this university. We express our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the government of Meghalaya for enacting the legislation in 2008 paving the way for the foundation of USTM. I must recall the contribution of our beloved late P.S. Sarma, and you are all knowing the tribute we are trying to give that our upcoming medical college is coming in the name of late P.S. Sarma. The former Chief Minister who has instrumental and Dr. late Dr. Roy, who the enactment has been made when they were the Chief Minister. We want to fulfill the expectation of the government of Meghalaya and try to make it a global destination for teaching, learning and research. My dear students, as you stand on the brink of a new chapter, it is your dedication and inspiration that shape the identity and potential of our university. You are the principal spirit behind USTM. The degrees you earn are not mere certificates, they are the keys that unlock the vast realm of knowledge and possibilities.
Itu orang justru tenat nama kita gini ki irong ni basu wan.
Ya khabar jingnya inti jengki ke pernah yang lebih bagi jelas pun bagi sujud orang PKA ke buat jengkong
hari ni kalau ti bang ya mengakam di maknanya nama ta jalan dia nak mentai lah dia. Belum macam hari ni kejengin. Tuan hari ni kejengin ni pertai. kam juga Mendai tanga.
Are you accompanying with someone?
Apa itu bagai Skulbah USTM bakum meeting tip juki atau kalau nggak bakum no bakal aja muncul kum no kali yang kapuli itu.
Jadi kau ini yang alapet baik kan ni bagai inkong do ketika akor kebetulan mesti orang aktif orang disiplin. Jadi ketika ini kita bakum sando sua. Haji ini jenuh makan haru. Kejong aja juki jongnya berapa. Akor aktif mereka akor. Kenang bah kejengim kata mungkin don ahli gelati. Kasong berpinjit. Kuat ban im ahli. Nang kau cái việc tình công nhận hôm nay cái em luôn cả mà tôi cái tí bên đây cái gì chính em ăn cả thì phải giết cái này cái này tí cái đây happy bạn nào thì cái này năm ta chung một giết anh tí biang ăn cảนี่ก็ตั้งมันนี่ละมันเลยไอ้น่ากับตาจงคิวเว้ยยิ้มได้มันประกาศตั้งอะไรเลย
Which one is correct? Which one is correct? Whether it is flat or gate or campus or medical college or the students not allowing to appear allowing to get the job? Which one is correct? We are ready for all the points. We have taken everything positively. We want to make our students a competent citizen and loved by everyone to face any kind of competitive examination anywhere. Why I will be thinking for a local job? We are thinking for a global job. We are thinking for our students to compete UPSC examination, crack the examination. So we are positive people, we have a positive team and we are working relentlessly. So if we have a long journey to make, when you are planning to go to Delhi, if somebody is asking something in nearby the road, you will ignore. You will think that now I have to make a journey to Delhi, why I will be listening someone. So it is our commitment that we have to reach a destination, and this decision by 2030 we want to make our university a globally accepted teaching, learning and research center. We want to see that 50% of the students community from the globe, especially ASEAN countries, they are coming, and we want to nurture our local children, creating a global community. Why people are so much crazy? Why parents are a dreamer to send their children to Oxford, Cambridge, MIT? Why? Because it's an institution of that kind where in a one bench, if you find 3 students are sitting, you will find these 3 students from 3 different countries. So why it is not possible here in the state of Meghalaya? It is possible. Only that we have to have a vision, we have to have a good team, and we have to have a honesty in our work. This university started with 6 students of biotechnology. Today we have more than 40 departments. We have more than 6,000 students. We have students from nook and corner of the northeastern region. So our action speaks. We cannot say something theoretically that there is no evidence. Our action, you talk to our students that how we are providing services. We have lots of limitations. We don't have a hostel, proper hostel. We don't have a kind of canteen in the campus. During the break time, let's say a crowd. We don't have a transportation facility. The outsiders are running the transportation. We don't have a sufficient hostel facility. So we have a long way to go. So we need not bother all nonsense. We need not bother also such kind of comments from any sources. We are completely focusing on education and education.